It's quite important to be online, because if, as I said, like if you're not there on the first page, you are nowhere. Fine. So we need to work more and more towards getting more prominent location in a digital world. Now if we talk about the SEO metrics, there should be something that, are you only interested for getting the leads, or you are interested for SEO is what? Search engine optimization. You optimize your site in such a way that you start ranking in the Google. When you are ranking in the Google and people are searching, they are able to find you, you will get the leads. So the thing is like, your goal should be very clear that you need traffic, you need conversion, you need leads. That should be quite clear. Along with search engine optimization, we should amplify our presence with the help of social media. Without social media, being in this business, and it's very simple. Social media is very simple for an SMEs. You know your product or the services very clearly and very better than any other one knows. You start creating a customized message on your Facebook wall. Try to see what kind of messaging that other people are, other of your competitors are posting. Amplify those things and then you start posting it. Again, one interesting fact that I'm like, lot of scope which is happening, lot of people, they start doing their business on Facebook or Google, even if you don't have very strategic or very big offices available. You can do lot of business on the social platform. I'll skip few of the slides. Now, however, and whatever you do, but you cannot avoid Facebook, you cannot avoid LinkedIn, you cannot avoid Twitter. Especially for the SMEs, you need not to, and it is very simple. What we have to do is like, if you are not able to get any plan, what you do is like, you go on Google or some SlideShare site is there, you go there, you try to find out how to market on LinkedIn. It's very simple. You create your own professional profile with your title, need not to say that CEO or managing director and all, because no one is interested in that. Fine. So in LinkedIn is very important and very effective tool. Without spending any penny, hardly spending half an hour or 1 hour time, you can easily get good number of leads. Similarly, online reputation. If you have your own reputation, I'm like, if someone is looking for your company, they will search for the feedback or reviews of your company online. You need to promote your testimonials if you have. Testimonials always play a very vital role in generating leads or leads getting converted. Now these are the typical kind of complete solutions in the digital marketing scenario that one can utilize. And believe me, it's way cheaper. It's not very costly, it's very cheaper. And you can do yourself without much of the investment. Hardly that you need to do is like, you need to spend some time online. Continuously you need to keep on building your time. And the last, you need to review your conversions with the SEO, with the Google ads or with the Facebook ads or some other activity. What are the kind of results that you are actually able to get? Believe me, it's way cheaper and it's way easy to do. Similarly, there are some of the case studies. And this is the growth of the Indian literacy rate in terms of internet. So audience is there, just we need to hit to the right place where people are actually looking for. So what you have to do is like, this is the last but not the least, that it is not that something has some scenario or some age has end. It's that we have to begin from somewhere. Fine. And this is the right time that we have to begin. So it completely relies on you that how you want to take it forward. As a conclusion of this session, there are a few things that is quite important for lead generation, sales and marketing, that in terms, effective things are digital marketing. So either it's SEO or Google AdWords or social media or LinkedIn. These are very effective tool and very cost effective and cheaper for SMEs, and they can do it themselves. Need not to hire any dedicated or very big dedicated or very costly agencies for these things. That's all from my end.